Hey little explorers, gather round. Today we're exploring in animals found. N is for newt, wiggling in the wet. N is for narwhal, unicorn you can bet. N is for nightingale, singing through the night. N is for numbat, an Aussie delight. N, animals galore, from the forest, the sea to the Australian shore. N is for nuthatch, cracking up the seed. N is for nala, in the brush they feed. N is for nanny, just another name. N is for nurse shark, tame but not tame. N is for nurse shark, tame but not tame. N is for Norwegian forest cat, fluffy and tall. N is for nighthawk, in dusk final call. N, what a list we've made. In nature's fast book these names are laid. Thanks for joining on this adventure, keep keen. There's more to discover, more to be seen.